Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix lines on iPhone screen. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have how to reset your iPhone. First of all, you need to check whether the gray lines appears in Software's app only or not. If yes, you can simply quit the app. Otherwise, you can force restart your iPhone. Restarting the device is direct way to solve some of software related issue. It will shut down all the apps or that are running and reload the systems. However, it is 100% is not working. You can follow the quick steps below. So press the volume up, volume down, press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on the screen. Then 10 to 20 seconds wait till your mobile is restarted. If your problem will be fixed. If their first solution is not working, their second solution you have update iOS the latest version. Alternatively, you can try to update your system to the latest version. It may mean that some bugs cause the gray lines on iPhone screen issue. Yet this method may take a lot of time and it may also cache some data during the updating. So back up your data and this follow instructions below. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so must be updated on your iPhone. Then third solution, turn off dark mode. Dark mode is a feature that applies a dark theme to your iPhone's interface. If you have dark mode on, you can turn it off to see if it is fixing the green lines issues. The easiest way to turn off dark mode is by telling Siri internally open the control center and press the hold brightness control. Three icons will appear, set the dark mode icon to turn off from here, so already on. So you have open the this file, so you have open a click on display and brightness turn off light on click. So then lost solution, reset all settings. Alternatively, you can fix the green line issue on your iPhone without even having to restore your device. Reset all settings is highly recommended. If the green lines appears after updating your iOS version, installing a new app or update, resetting all settings, read or recent changes made to systems including update, but keep all your saved and download files. Open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings. If your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.